Good morning, children. I'm sure you were able to do the song that I sent yesterday, the happy song. I'm still waiting for you all to finish all the assignments that I have given and send it back to me so that I can correct it. Okay, now, first thing we are going to do the prayers. Which is the prayer? Yes, it is God's love. Let's all join our hands and sing along. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Okay, now what we are going to learn today is about nature. What are we going to learn about? Nature. Nature का मतलब क्या? वातावरण जो हम देखते हैं, जहाँ हम रहते हैं. नेचर इज एवरीथिंग. आई एम नेचर, यू आर नेचर, द प्लांट्स, द ट्रीज, द क्लाउड्स, एवरीथिंग इज पार्ट ऑफ नेचर. द बर्ड्स, anything, whatever you see around you is part of a nature. Okay, now open your books, English Bal Bharti, to page number 2. Page number 2. What you are going to do is you have to read this poem. What do you have to do? You have to read the poem. Okay, let's read the poem and sing it along. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. So what is the meaning of the poem? Nature is might. Might मतलब strong. Nature is strong. Strong मतलब तो मालूम है ना, ताकत, strong. Nature is beauty. Beauty मतलब जो बाहर हम देखते हैं वो beautiful sea हो या beautiful mountains हो. So nature is beauty. Nature is moody मतलब नेचर का मूड चेंज होता है. कभी बारिश होती है, कभी ठंडी होती है, कभी गर्मी होती है. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's windy. These are all the different moods of nature. Nature is smart, मतलब nature बहुत smart है. Nature is blue. Blue मतलब blue color. So when you see the skies are blue. Nature is green. Green का मतलब the trees, the plants, everything is green. So nature is green. Nature is true. True का मतलब क्या हुआ? सच. जो नेचर है वो सच. नेचर इज ट्रू. नेचर इज यू मतलब नेचर आप हो. नेचर इज मी, नेचर मैं भी हूं. एंड नेचर विल फॉर एवर बी फ्री. हम बाहर चलते हैं, हम फ्रीली चल सकते हैं. सो लेट्स डू द पोएम अगेन. नेचर इज माइट, नेचर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, नेचर इज ब्यूटी, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. So now we are going to learn the second part, which says look and say. So there are the words written which we discussed in the poem. Now we are going to read the words. First we'll write today's date, which is 17/06/20. 17/06/20. What is the first word? The first word is nature. The spelling of nature is NATURE. nature. What is the second word? Moody. M-O-O-D-Y. Moody. M-O-O-D-Y. Moody. What is this? Might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. What is the next word? Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. S-T-R-O-N-G. What is the next word? Beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. Beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. Beauty. Smart. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. What is the next word? Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Then we have green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. And now the last line. True. T-R-U-E. True. T-R-U-E. True. Then we have ever. E-V-E-R. Ever. E-V-E-R. Ever. And the last word here is free. F-R-E-E. Free. F-R-E-E. Free. So what you are going to do is, you have to learn these words. You have to learn the spellings. Also, you at the same time, when you see these words, you should be able to say the words. So we have to look and say. First word is nature. Moody. Might. Smart. Strong. Blue. Beauty. Green. True. Ever. Free. So what you all are going to do is, you all are going to write all these words in the book. All the words need to be written in the book, and you should be able to say the words when you are looking at it. That is the meaning of look and say. So this is like a sight word. So you will say nature, moody, might, smart, true, ever, strong, blue, free, green, beauty. Okay, so we are going to do all these words. I need you to record when you are looking at the words how you pronounce the words. When you pronounce the words and send it back to me on the video, I will come to know whether you have understood the words and you all are able to pronounce it or no. Okay, the same words are also in the poem. So when you are reading nature is might, you know nature and might are in the poem. So what will happen is, when you know these words, you will be able to read the poem by yourself. So nature and might, nature and strong. So everything, all the words which are in the poem are written out here. So you need to look at these words and say. I want you to take a video of the same and send it back to me. Now what is the next thing? The third point is, describe the things you see in the picture. So there is a one big picture out here. You can see many different things out here, and you need to talk about each and everything. For example, you can see a sun. So you can say anything. I can see a yellow sun, or I can see sun in the sky. You can see whatever you see in the picture, you can talk about it. Then you can see clouds. So what can you tell about the clouds? Clouds are white in color. There are 3 clouds in the sky in this picture. You can say any small sentence about the clouds. Then we can see a rainbow. So we can talk about the rainbow. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are the 7 colors in the rainbow. We can see 2 birds flying in the sky. Then we can see different trees on the mountains. We can see a river, we can see flowers. So you need to describe the whole picture, talk about the picture and send the video back to me. What is the 4th point? The 4th point is tell about the following things. What are the things out here? Tree, flower and bird. You can tell anything about the tree that you know. The tree trunk is brown in color. The tree leaves are green in color. You can talk about it. The flower, the bird, you can talk about each picture. I'm not going to tell you more than this because I want to see what you can tell me about it. It's okay if it's not in English. You can talk in Hindi too and send it back to me. Okay, so now after doing the chapter on nature, we are going to concentrate on the and words. What words? And words. We have already done this, so it's just a revision for everybody. First word is ban. B-A-N. Ban. Then we have can. C-A-N. Can. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Man. M-A-N. Man. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Ran. R-A-N. Ran. Then we have van. V-A-N. Van. Tan. T-A-N. Tan. Plan. P-L-A-N. Plan. And began. B-E-G-A-N. Began. So what you all are going to do here is you all are going to write these words in your book. You all will say and write. So you will say these are and words. First word is ban. B-A-N. Ban. I want a video where you all are writing on the book plus you all are saying. So ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, van, tan, plan and began. Is that clear for everybody? Now we will be doing maths. What are we doing? Maths. Open to page number 2. Page number 2. The concept of maths that we are going to study today is called behind and in front of. Behind and in front of. Behind matlab पीछे and in front of matlab आगे. So behind is पीछे, in front of is आगे. अभी इसमें एग्जाम्पल क्या आएगा? बिहाइंड और इन फ्रंट ऑफ. अभी ये कार्ड्स बिहाइंड है और ये पेन इन फ्रंट ऑफ है. मतलब ये कार्ड्स पीछे है और ये पेन आगे है, जो उसके आगे है, तो दैट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ. अगर मैं पीछे हूं, मेरे आगे ये बुक है, सो आई एम बिहाइंड एंड द बुक इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ. Okay, now what is the thing that they have asked you? Color the box below the child who is behind the curtain. Behind the curtain मतलब कर्टन के जो पीछे है वो चाइल्ड का बॉक्स कलर करना है. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा कलर करेंगे आप? ये वाला, बिकॉज दिस चाइल्ड इज बिहाइंड द कर्टन. अभी ये सेकंड में क्या लिखा है? कलर द बॉक्स बिलो द स्विंग विच इज इन द फ्रंट. कौन सा स्विंग इन द फ्रंट है? ये वाला. सो यू विल कलर दिस बॉक्स. ओके, देन कलर द बॉक्स बिलो द चाइल्ड हु इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्टम्प्स. स्टम्प के आगे कौन खड़ा है? The girl in the green dress. So the girl in the green dress, we will color the box below that girl. Now what I want you all to do is, you all will draw certain objects which are behind and in front of on two different this things. So for example, you can draw a flower. The flower is behind, and you can draw a pot. So the pot is in front of the flower. So, and here I want you to circle the object which is in front of the flower. So you will circle the pot. Okay. Now what are we going to draw is, we are going to draw a tree, and we will draw a boy or a girl. The boy can draw a boy and the girl can draw a girl. Okay. So I want you to tell me which is behind. The tree is behind the girl. The tree is behind the girl. So you will circle the tree. Don't forget that after drawing you will color the thing which you have circled. जिसको circle किया है वो object को आपको color करना है. यहाँ पे आप girl को नहीं color करेंगे, सिर्फ ट्री को कलर करेंगे. यहाँ पे आप सिर्फ पॉट को कलर करेंगे. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू ड्रॉ दिस एंड सर्कल. हियर यू विल सर्कल विच इज बिहाइंड, एंड हियर यू विल सर्कल विच इज इन द फ्रंट. इज इट क्लियर? ओके.